been the great beings of this great world, Earth. And we feel that we have been in this physical form. But actually, the physical form that we are in is nothing but the physical energy. The physical form is converted or transformed into the physical energy. We invite the energies from the physical world, that is Earth. So, when we sit into meditation and invite the physical energies from this Mother Earth, we could see and we could receive the mud color energies that have been filled with each and every cell of the muscles, and the yellow color energies are filled by the cells of our skin and also for the protection. The light green color is being filled up by the energy producing cells, and the blue color is filled by the nervous cells and the fluid carrying cells. And all the internal organs have been covered by a protective cover. The protective cover is actually formed of different colors because each and every organ has a different and many functions to do. So it has been covered with a protective cover. All the internal organs will be protected, will be covered by the protective covers. And as far as we know, the brain is one of the main parts of the human being. So this brain is divided into three parts. The first part is filled with the supporting energies, the powerful elements of the earth for generating the right thoughts. The first part of the brain is for generating thoughts in the right way. And the second part is the connectivity part, which connects our mind to the conscious mind and also to the subconscious mind. And part three is action and reaction. The energies here for this action of the brain has been derived by the core of the earth. So we get connected to the core of the earth and we derive the energies from the Mother Earth and also from the mineral kingdom. This is how we change the physical form and we fill the physical energies into us. And the physical energy now that we have inside has to be transformed into spiritual energy. In the next process, ma'am. Shall I continue? Okay, masters. As we have seen, the physical form has been changed into the physical energy. The same way, we can change the physical energy into the spiritual energy. How is it possible? Now, we all sit for meditation and with closed eyes, we connect to the conscious of the astral world. And the master called Nadar is the master for the astral systems. So, we are connected to the astral system. And the systems inside our body, one after the another, will be connected to the astral systems. The first system that we connect is called the respiratory system. The respiratory system, we all know, that is a life-giving system. The respiratory system is called as the life-giving system. And what happens if this respiratory system connects to the astral system. Then the awakening and arising of the soul happens. When the respiratory system is connected to the astral system, the awakening and the arising of the soul happens. And the next system that we connect to the astral system is the nervous system. The nervous system is called the carrier system. And when this system is connected to the astral system, the energies from the Brahmarandra and also from each and every cell from the astral world enters into our body. So when this nervous system is connected to the astral system, the energy inflow is triggered. And the next system is excretory system. The excretory system is called as expelling system. And when this system is connected to the astral ones, it sheds off all the unnecessary thoughts, unnecessary qualities, the unnecessary things that we are filled in. That is, which is unnecessary, the negative thoughts and the negative qualities will be getting shedded when the excretory system is connected to the astral system. And next system is called the skeletal system. What is the skeletal system for? This skeletal system is also called as the balancing system. When the system is connected to the astral system, there will be a great balance of energies in us. It helps for the spiritual balance of energies. And the next system that we get connected to is called the muscular system. The muscular system is also called as the supporting system. This muscular system is when connected to the astral system, then we are supported with the arised conscious. The arised conscious is being filled into us when it is connected. The next system is called the digestive system, which is called as the transforming system. And with the digestive system, when connected to the astral system, it helps us for the transformation into the higher self. So, and the last system is called the coaxial system. The coaxial system, or even it is called as the connectivity system. So, when this is connected to the astral system, then we can be able to connect to the other greater worlds and have the coordination with the masters, letting in the wisdom and the energies and also spreading out the consciousness. This is how we do these two processes, by changing the physical form of us into the physical energy, and the physical energy is changed as the spiritual energy. And this is one of the greatest things, and which helps us to move on with the truth. Thank you, masters. Hello, ma'am. Hello. Hello, Vani ma'am.
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, fine. Go ahead.
రెండు ప్రాసెసెస్ అయిపోయింది. Now we go to the మార్కండేయ మహర్షి.
మీరు ఈ కాన్సెప్ట్ అని చెప్పేసి ఫర్దర్ చెప్పండి మేడం, నేను ఎడిటింగ్ లో కట్ చేసుకుంటూ ఉంటాను.
సరే మ్యామ్, రైట్, ఓకే, ఫైన్. Now, we invite the Markandeya Maharshi, and when I have invited the conscious of Markandeya Maharshi, he told that he started talking to me, and I felt his conscious. Then the master told, I'm not into you. I have not channeled into you. Then I asked why? Because you are into my conscious. I told, okay, thank you. And then I asked about the Markandeya Maharshi to just shower the wisdom about him. He started speaking this way. I am one of the old beings of this world. I know each and every corner and each and every system of this world. And also the inventions and the creations created by him was being explained. And he asked, why do you need all this? Then I answered, now it is time for their operation and their work. He said, okay, if you want to know, I don't want to tell you. You travel deeper into me, then you would know yourself. Then I traveled deeper into the consciousness of Maharshi Markandeya. And when I have traveled into his inner, I could see him lying on the ground without any consciousness. He was doing them. Then I asked what was the reason for it. Because he was with a fight with some unknown energy, and he was being into this unconscious state. With the help of the energies and the consciousness of the Mother Earth, he was brought into consciousness again. So, from then, he has been connected with his world and strongly decided to be with this planet forever, protecting this world. And as I have been asking for the creation of and the creations and the inventions of Master Markandeya, he told there has been one gateway above the Giza pyramid of Egypt. And also, with that gateway, the energies were being poured onto this earth from the other greater worlds, and also different masters could enter, and that would have been a greater help to the Mother Earth. But that gateway was being interrupted, and no other supporting conscious or the energies could reach the Mother. Now it is time to clear the obstacles and let in the outer world's conscious inside into the Mother Earth. And releasing that obstacle could open up 8 different conscious connections at 8 different places on the Mother Earth. So, when interrupted, when we just open up the gateway, the 8 different conscious could come out. What are those 8 consciousness? These different 8 conscious points have been hidden onto this Mother Earth. Those energies should be awakened and brought onto this earth, spreading their conscious throughout the world. And now, when we are able to open this gateway, the Master tells us the miracles are going to get happen, that everyone could perceive. And when this process was on, the elements of the Mother Earth are filled with ecstatic joy on their release. on the reels of the 8 conscious that has been hidden or covered under this earth. And the outer world masters were also very eagerly watching this planet. And where are those 8 planets, 8 conscious points? I have been told that Egypt is pointed on the globe, and right above the Egypt is a gateway. Right below the Egypt is one point, and from that point, with some angle, there have been 3 points to the left and 3 points to the right and 1 point to the center. These are the 8 points, the conscious points that have to be released. And all the 8 energies are the creations by me. So what about each and every conscious? He has been explaining this way. The first one is a storm which blurs our vision, cleansing and visualize the right way. A storm erupts. What does that do? It just cleanses us, the beings on this earth, for the visualization in the right way. And the energy that has been in the center point, when it has been released, then the energy rays are just blasted out, reaching each corner of Mother Earth and also helping transformation. And the next point, when the next conscious is released, the conscious which lost the life has regained, will be regained. In the inner, in the inner of the self, there has been some lifeless inner conscious. The inner consciousness that has been lifeless will start arising. And the next point, and the next conscious will arise the purity and the sanctity on this Mother Earth, and that purity has been protected. And with the next consciousness, the 5th and 6th points of the consciousness on the corners of the globe, those points and those conscious are free and travel around the earth, releasing the light balls into the earth, which explodes, releasing the light energy fulfilled around each and every being and eradicating the darkness. And the 7th and 8th points of consciousness with deals with the spiritual oneness. No vileness towards any being. The love and the light being spreaded until every energy and every being accepts them into their within. These are the consciousness that have been created by Master Markandeya Maharshi. And when the gateway is opened, all these consciousness have been released onto this Mother. And when we have been traveled into the Bermuda Triangle, then we could able to know that the masters there act as a group. And even the Bermuda Triangle, in the ancient times, the people were just praising it, and because they feel that some positive conscious or the positive energy has been into this part, which helps them from the demons. And when we have entered into the Bermuda Triangle, then we could see a group of masters over there, and they perform many experiments there. And the results are being overchecked, and procedures start on the earth accordingly. And the masters are always there, helping in the ascension of the Mother Earth. These are the experiences, and these are the messages that have been given by me today, Masters. And I am very happy to share with this all of you. Share this with all of you, Masters. Thank you.